So nice to walk around the old town of Riga. Small roads like this one, paved, ancient monuments, old wall, but pretty restored. The bricks looks new, and sometimes we have some art like the ghost here, and full of restaurants, full of tourists. And it's nice because it's quite peaceful anyway. Even someone made live music on the terrace. So beautiful town to see once in life. Now we go to the restaurant. Blini, filimini. For me this is chaburek. So all Russian food in front of this church.
Oh, the day is starting in a beautiful cafeteria with nice sweets. Outside the traffic is going on, was the worst. It's warm again today. And then I will change my dress and go for a ride. I try to reach Estonia today. I think it's possible not. It's not so far. Just I have to wake up a little bit more. Temperature is fantastic outside. So have a nice breakfast.
So I arrived to the garage of the friend that 12 years ago, even more, helped me by the other Guzzi. This bike. I like the lights here, but the Jack Daniels light battle. just stopped on the coast. If you watch the map, right here, just go through all the forest. Now I'll see if I can go inside the town, and then Estonia. So, 30 degrees. Maybe you see already what I have in the back. It's the beach. Oh, long beach. Very long. Like it's 30 degrees, the people come to the beach for have a bath. The water is good, but you have to walk a lot before it's deep. For the moment it's just shallow. So for me, just take a quick stop. I don't know if take a bath now or go much further. And I was worried because I don't know, the last 50 kilometers was in the middle of the forest, straight. I say, where are the village? Where is the beach? And just now, the road is exactly on the beach. There are also a lot of people. So, bike in the sun. I think I'm 20 kilometers or less from the Estonia border. I stopped at the market for buy some chicken, already cooked, for €3.50, and then some Russian salad and water. It's not much like lunch. Anyway, the good thing is don't eat too much, otherwise I cannot ride anymore. So, good. Anyway, and cheap. I think I have the best table in the shadow, in the park. But the other park is too much sunny. So, it's better stay here. And here is the Russian salad. Just going Estonia, 10 meters there was a turn left for a touristic road. So I took a small, nice village I passed, and now this place under the pine, the forest with the beach. So Looks like you have to walk a lot before to have a deep water. Just this black like this smell a lot. What I understand is free camping. Everybody stay here. Free camping in the forest. Interesting. I don't know if stay or continue to go to north. I want to go to the islands, so I continue the road. So peaceful, and then in the middle of nowhere, oh, there is the road. Sometimes I pass a car, and the road is smaller and smaller. We arrive to the peninsula. We'll see if I can catch the ferry for the Woman Island. So I arrive in time for the ferry of 5:45, but there is no space for my bike. Strange, because there is a lot of space for the bicycle. And anyway, I booked for the ferry 8 o'clock. I will arrive 9 o'clock or more. And then just to go to look for a place where to put the tent. And then I enjoy the island tomorrow. And then maybe go out already. Map time again. So I left from Riga and then I go up the same road here, then just turn